guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. I hope that you are all enjoying your summer. We definitely are here. Today, I'm going to share with you how to make skewers. They're like a kielbasa and veggie skewer. They're so easy, so delicious. You know that I live in New England, which gets pretty hot and humid. So in the summertime, every chance I get to cook outside on the grill, I take it. So I'm so excited to share the recipe with you. We love it. Gabe loves it. I love it. My whole family loves it. So I have no doubt that you guys will love it as much as we do. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do that now. And as always, show us some love. All right, guys, enjoy. Bye.